So I'm doing the repair on my 1996 80 series Land Cruiser for the sunroof leaking. Checked all 4 drain hoses, everything clear. The windshield rubber is all in good condition. It's been in there for a while, no problems, but it still overloads the drain tubes and basically gets it all wet down on the floorboards on both sides. So I cut about a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch strip out of an inner tube, 26-inch inner tube. Pretty much just stretch it around everything, around the corners here, the bolts, around these guys, just to get it all in there. Pretty much get the corners in, and the straight parts go in pretty easily. I think I'm going to put a couple little pieces of black silicone on there, just to kind of make sure that it stays in those spots. But yeah, this is the repair, the inner tube style repair for the sunroof on 80 series Land Cruiser.